Hi friends, Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. This is Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pilapu. See, this problem is very important. If 0 less than modulus of z minus 1 less than 2, then express f of z is equal to z by z minus 1 into z minus 3 in series of positive and negative powers of z minus 1. So, in terms of z minus 1 is expanding. So, this problem is a somewhat good problem. So, this we will attack. Already I told you, if they ask z plus 1, z minus 1, put z minus 1 is equal to u. First, put. So, my reason become what? 0 less than modulus u less than 2. Now, come here. Now, my z become what? U plus 1. This z by z minus 1, z minus 3 become what? My z become what? Z minus 1 is equal to u, means z is equal to u plus 1. This is already u. This is what? Z is equal to u plus 1 means what is become u minus 3. So, where u is equal to z minus 1, if I expand in terms of u, I will expand. So, my whole problem in terms of z minus 1, happily I will stop the problem. Then, before doing what I want to do, I go for the partial fraction. So, previous problem numerator is 1, so I have not done partial fraction. Here is some polynomial there, so I have to go for the partial fraction. So, this how you will write u plus 1 by u into u minus 3 or minus 2 z is equal to u plus 1 is u minus 2. Write a by u, b by minus 2. This you can add, this you can multiply here, this you can multiply here, then a b values you get. Just I am skipping. Just I will copy down. Where is the problem? A is equal to minus 1 by 2. B is equal to 3 by 2. Now come back. My validity portion is what? 0 modulus less than u less than 2. So, u by 2 is less than 1. Always open side 1. U by 2 is less than 1 means what? I can take minus 2 here. So, this become minus 1 by 2. I can't do this. Plus minus, if I take 3 by 4, minus 2 I am taking. Now expand. Minus 3 by 4, 1 minus u by 2 whole power minus 1, minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. This how can write minus into minus plus, so all are plus. U by 2 plus u by 2 whole square, u by 2 whole cube, so on. What is my u? U is equal to z minus 1 or z plus 1? U is equal to u is equal to z minus 1. What is my u? Z minus 1. So, minus 1 by 2. This is the in terms of negative positive powers of z minus 1 will get. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. Bye.